Okay, now I will teach you script in 99 nights. First, click the delta and click cloud. Search fax name. Fax name. Just wait to load and click the last one. Just wait to load. And that's it, the script. No key. Click what you want, like kill aura, auto stand, bring, auto fuel, auto scrapper, God mode. You can do all you want. If you want fly speed, click the local player. You can bring all you want. You can open all chests. You can fly. You can do all you want. So that's it. Enjoy your script. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, and share this video. So thanks, follow for more. Bye.